this is John Garcia reporting to you. We have some breaking news happening in India. An unexpected visitor takes some money from a jewellery. An employee of the store narrated this story to a reporter. He said that he saw a little monkey sitting outside the store, so he offered some fruits to the animal. Then the monkey got inside the store, took 10,000 rupees, about 150 US dollars, and ran off. Despite the employee tried to persuade the animal with a banana, the little monkey just ignored him and escaped with the loot. The employee said that he will be more careful next time and he will catch the thief. Insecurity in India is overflowed. These were the news. See you next time.